And I'd also like to show you the wallpaper that I'm going to use for the fireplace. And this is, again, is the peel and stick. This is from Amazon. They get all different sizes. And yeah, I thought this would be great because the sofa is a lovely oxblood. So I decided to go for something that's going to be matching. And this is a lovely wine color. So it's come up as maroon online. So I've checked it against the armchair, and let's have a look against that and you'll see. So the armchair is here, and then if I put the wallpaper against the color, I think we can say that yes, it is a good match. So I'm going to be using this for the fireplace, and I'm just going to use that, just do the fireplace, the breast of the fireplace. I'm going to wallpaper. So now that I've showed you the wallpaper that I'm going to be using for the breast of the fireplace, I'm also going to show you how to stick ornate on a cast iron fireplace. Now I've got these ornates here which I purchased from eBay, and they're made of resin, so obviously they're fragile. So let's have a look at them because they've just arrived and I haven't opened this yet. I've only just received them. So we're just going to get this open and check what the situation is. Hopefully they're okay in transit, and yeah, we can and I also can't wait to see what they look like. Ooh. Oh, okay, let's have a look. There should be 3 in here. Let's have a look at this lovely packaging. This look at this floral paper. Oh, it's handmade with love. Beautiful. I'm going to put this on the top of my fireplace. So this is lovely. I love this. It's beautiful. Make sure I leave some kind of comment about the kind of packaging, because it is really, really nice. So let's get this open. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be putting on the top of my fireplace. It does have an awful smell, like petrol-y kind of smell, but apart from that, it looks really, really nice. And it's very, and I know what they mean by fragile. I mean, that is fragile, but obviously once it's on the fireplace, it's not going anywhere. So let's see what it looks like on the fireplace. Okay, so here we are again at the fireplace, and yeah, so I'm intending to put this like this on the fireplace, and I think you can see how that's going to look. Really, really nice. It's just a little ornate. It's not big, but it's there, and that's what I want. I don't want something too in your face. I just want something to look really realistic and not going out of my way. I know it is in this beautiful gold colour. So I have purchased from Amazon some gunmetal spray, and this is a gunmetal cast iron fireplace. So with the spray, hopefully it will blend in a lot better. So that's that. And then I did say I had 3 pieces, so I'm going to put this piece back how it was. And here are the other pieces. So again, made with love and lovely floral paper there, which is really nice. Let's try and then we will, first what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to spray these in a nice gunmetal, and then stick them to the fireplace. They're quite flat, so that's good, and they're light. So yeah, And these are from eBay, and they're just ornate mouldings that you can get. So now I'm just going to be using my glue gun to glue this onto the fireplace. If I hold it against the fireplace, we can see what that looks like. I think that looks great. I think that looks, yeah. So we're going to put it round this way, and then I'm going to go in with my glue gun. I think that's the best way to actually glue this to the fireplace. I was thinking of no nails, but I don't want to destroy the fireplace. So I'm just going to go in with the glue gun, like so, as you can see. And then I'll stick it on. So I'm just going to hold it in place there. Oh, God. It's quite hard actually to even do it with the glue gun because the surface. No. Anyway, I managed to stick it finally, because this did not work on cast iron, which was the glue gun, and I was sure it would work and not damage the cast iron. I ended up going with a blue tack, and yeah, it works perfectly. And I think that's better because it don't damage anything, easy to remove. If you wouldn't know, I mean, it looks, and the fact that it's a flat ornate, it just looks seamless, so I'm very happy with that. And now I'm going to put these ones on the side and we're done. All in all, with the wallpaper and the ornate, and yes, finally I managed to stick the ornate on with blue tack and it works perfectly. And again, ornate I got from eBay, and they do a lot of selections of ornate, so just go and check ornate mouldings and made of resin, because these are resin, and you'll find them. I've just spray painted mine, and I showed you the spray paint, which is the gunmetal. So if you do have a cast iron fireplace like this and you want to ornate this up, it's simple to do. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you all again for another one.